You must have seen this project by passing through this road. Today I'm going to show you how this looks from inside. Before we see the apartment, firstly we'll see the mother of all deals with Ramki Lumina is giving right now. They are giving up to 10% off in all the bookings in 1, 2 and 3 BHK options. The 1 BHK which was costing 85 lakhs before, you can get in 2 BHK which was 1.36 CR, you can get in just 1.26 CR. 3 BHK Smart which was 1.71 CR, you can get in just 1.61 CR, and the 3 BHK Grand which was 1.93 CR, you can get in just 1.83 CR. The project is spread across 7 acres with 6 towers and G plus 14 floors. As you enter to the apartment, the first thing you get is your living area and your dining area. It has 75% carpet area efficiency with 80% open space, and we have 40 plus amenities present here. As you take a right from here, the first thing you will get your bedroom number 1, plus you get a powder washroom also. This is your bedroom number 2, which can be used as a kids' room. You get a balcony also in your living area. In total, they have 729 flats available here. It is 5 minutes to Hosa Road, closure to STRR, PRR, E-City. As you step out from the balcony, the right side you will get your modular kitchen with and separated utility area too, with lot of ventilation. This is your bedroom number 3, which comes with an attached washroom. Let me ask you something. How much time do you spend in Bangalore's traffic every single day? 1 hour? 2 hours? Maybe even more. Now imagine if you could cut that down to just 10 to 15 minutes, because in a city like Bangalore, that one decision alone can completely change your lifestyle. And that's exactly what projects like Ramki Lumina are trying to solve. See, when most people think about buying a home, they usually focus on price, amenities and brand. But they ignore one very important factor, location efficiency. Because in reality, your home is not just where you live, it defines how you live. Your daily commute, your stress level, your time with family, everything is impacted by where your home is located. Now let's talk about Ramki Lumina. It's located on Hosa Road, which is one of the most strategic connectors in Bangalore right now. From here, Electronic City is around 10 to 15 minutes away. Sarjapur Road and its entire IT belt are easily accessible, and even the outer ring road, Bilandur, EcoSpace, EcoWorld, everything within comfortable reach. So whether you work in Electronic City or along ORR, this location works for both, and that's a big advantage. Now, who should actually consider a project like this? This is not a one-size-fits-all kind of property, but if you are a working professional, especially in IT, or someone who is tired of spending hours in traffic every single day, or even an investor looking for consistent rental demand, then this project starts to make a lot of sense, because areas like this always have one thing in common: demand. People are always looking to live close to where they work, and that's where the real value lies. Now coming to the project itself, Ramki Lumina is spread across roughly 7 acres with 3 towers going up to around G plus 14 floors. It offers 1, 2 and 3 BHK homes. The layouts are partially and practically efficient. They are not over-designed or unnecessarily fancy, but they are built for real everyday living. And sometimes that's exactly what you need. In terms of lifestyle, you get all the essential amenities. There's a swimming pool, a clubhouse, a gym, kids play arena and landscaped open spaces. Now, this is not just ultra luxury, it's something not trying to be, but worth trying to be. So if your priority is simple, less travel time, better connectivity, and a home that actually makes your life easier every single day, then Ramkilo Lumina is definitely worth considering. And if you're not sure whether this project fits your needs, that's completely fine, because the goal is not to sell you something, it's to help you make the right decision. So take your time, understand the priorities, and if you need clarity, just reach out. We'll help you figure out what actually works for you, because in the Mani Consulting, we sell the right